Hi everyone. As you can see, today I'm replacing these knackered engine bay fuel lines. The funny thing is that I replaced these back in 21 and after 17k they are shot. This fuel hose is a gauge 3225 and obviously I cannot recommend it. And I'm replacing it with this gauge 4219 BF, which should be better quality and it also can handle methanol. Anyway, this video wasn't about the modern day fuel lines. In fact, I'd like to warn you about late 80s and early 90s PSA fuel lines. I couldn't find good statistic of car fires for these old models, but I happened to find a newspaper article from 2003 written by Swedish newspaper Aftonbladet that states that the XMs were 4 times more prone to car fires than the Volvo 850. And I believe that most Peugeots and Citroens are prone to fires because of fuel lines, and these cars usually have exhaust manifolds near them. I used this LHM colored incense to lure the spirit of André. Undo the spark plug cables, vacuum lines and 2 T30 screws to remove the engine cover. Now you can start removing fuel lines. I like to do this one by one, but you can do them at the same time if you want to. Oh, and by the way, you might want to depressurize your fuel system. If your car still has the original fuel lines, they have those single ear hose clamps and they can be a bit difficult to remove. I'm gonna swap over these isolation tubes since I still have them, but I think that's not that necessary. I made sort of mistake because in my mind both of these steel lines were 10mm size, but in reality this one is 8mm all the way, but I'm pretty sure that I can get away with this since the pipe flare is quite big. And here we can see some quality hose cutting. I'm fitting 10 to 8mm reducer. As I said earlier, this isn't necessary since both ends of this line are 8mm. And now just repeat this on the other line. Last time I used only 8mm hose to both lines, and since this line is 10mm, it was really hard to remove. I'm wondering that how on earth I managed to fit this 8mm hose to this pipe, since this correct sized one gave me a good fight. And now let's check that nothing is leaking. System is leak free, so we can fit engine cover and other stuff back on. Since my camera ran out of battery, here is some action shot of me fitting the spark plug cables. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't let your car burn down.